Hey Android TV fans! Want to supercharge your big screen without spending a dime? We've got the best free apps for 2025 to level up your streaming and gaming. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech tips. Let's dive into these must-have Android TV apps. No need for fancy gadgets or pricey subscriptions. These free Android TV apps unlock epic entertainment. From stunning screensavers to ad-free YouTube and PC game streaming. Ready for the top picks? Keep watching. Aerial views. Turn your IOL TV into a visual masterpiece with 150 plus 4K HDR videos. Think breathtaking cityscapes and nature views. It's a free screensaver upgrade that makes your TV pop. Projectivity Launcher. Ditch the default home screen for this ad-free, smooth launcher. With Material You theming and customizable icon sizes, it's a sleek, free way to personalize your Android TV. Moonlight. Stream your PC games to your TV for free. No subscriptions, just big screen gaming with your favorite titles. Perfect for gamers wanting epic action without extra costs. TV Overlay. Get handy info like clocks, phone notifications, or smart home updates overlaid on your content. The free tier offer basic features with tons of customization. Super practical. GeoSphere, a web browser built for big screens, complete with a free VPN for secure browsing. It's user-friendly and perfect for Android TV users who want to surf the web safely. TV Quick Actions. Use your remote to launch apps, switch HDMI inputs, or control smart devices. This free app makes your TV experience effortless and intuitive. Sound TV. Twitch fans, this one's for you. Enjoy picture-in-picture VOD playback with chat and follow your favorite channels, all free, all on the big screen. SmartTube. Watch YouTube without ads. This free client has a remote-friendly interface, making binge watching smoother and more enjoyable. These free apps transform your Android TV into Powerhouse for gaming, streaming, and productivity without costing a cent. With Android TV's flexibility, these apps make 2025 your year for epic entertainment. Download these apps from the Google Play Store on your Android TV today. Whether you're vibing with aerial views or gaming with Moonlight, your big screen's about to shine. Which app are you trying first? Drop your picks below. And that's the scoop on the best free Android TV apps for 2025. Are you hyped for SmartTube's ad-free vibes or Moonlight's gaming power? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this list, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips.